Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix slow performance issue after Windows update. First step is open File Explorer, open C Drive, Windows, Software Distribution folder. Delete all files and folders. Second step is type disk cleanup in Windows search bar, click disk cleanup. Select all, click OK. Third step is right-click Start button, click Task Manager. Click Startup tab, disable all apps one by one. Fourth step is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type sfc /scanno. Type dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Fifth step is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Windows Update. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.